Munir tum jong si isi broken relationship pen ang tan wang lute hala so relationship aphan katini ji aphan mate move on ji aphan ke ko mane along pen kirap kilong ke kinang sot bonta dada penangan atum confused tete ko mat along pen malang kirap kilong mate ko mat selang pan kirap mo hala pan si aning dog det titi mate kang hon dukok titi lagi chokchi this is not correct isi relationship along pen wang pen uthot kaprek a relationship along kilodam tu ji aphan halabang so dak lapen halabang so journey mate halabang so afor ke important thep pigan madu phanta mentuni ta kijo e hormoson ke penchong idar mane isia relationship along pen wang pen hala so relationship aphan katini jia phan ke madu phanta use iletri nang puthot ke hala phan ning dok unelo mate nang kai pen katini pamelo wansi nang ka prega lashalo dam nang ji bas brega daw lu puama komane jong sinang phan nang care do help nang pi mate apor nang si pidun plote nang alang relationship do nang si pule nang kethan kali lagi jong sina aso relationship to kok pisidami mo phila son se mandet poje nang jong sina pas alam overlo mate tingni thailo plote present ke interest avidet po uthot break up tuda nason ke mentuni taklem der